You also can get rid of a shaking engine or vibrating engine just by tuning your balance shaft to this single position I am going to show you for a perfect timing. First, once you tune, you will see a case mark circled. You can see it over there, which is this, and also we have the other at the other hand, and also we have a punch mark on the balance shaft rod. So at this balance shaft rod, you just have to time it under. Okay, you can see what I just did, and after that we have a lined mark also on the balance shaft rod. So what you have to do is to make sure this pointed arrow aligns to the balance shaft casing, okay, for a perfect timing. And after you've done that, you will now move to the next also and apply the same method on the balance shaft rod, and make sure it's well aligned to the balance shaft casing. And after that, you just have to turn, and you can see the both are properly timed.